Hi, Max of the Konstru team, and now I'm going to show you how to modify section sizes in Grasshopper. So first we have to download our model. I'm going to the model section and choose select model. Now place this component on your canvas. Now click select and this will open up the Konstru dialog. I'm going to choose my new model and I'm going to query the version data. So this downloads the model into Grasshopper. Now I have access to all the elements and I can query them by get element. And now I'm going to modify some of those. Now first of all I'm going to get all the beams and we'll choose one of them. So this is the beam we're looking at, this is its wireframe. And I'm going to change the section size. So in this case I can use the component called update element. I'm going to place it on the canvas and I will have to feed in the element I'm going to update. This is this one, and now I have to choose a different profile. If I have a look at the profile of the element, I will see that the current profile is W12 by 26. And now let's see what profiles we already have in here. We can either choose one of the existing ones from the model or just get a new one by name. So in this case I'm going to the profile section and say get profile by name. Place this component on the canvas and connect it to the profile. Now I have to select the name and I go to get profile names, place it on the canvas and click select. Now I'm going to select an imperial section, and in this case 5 by 19. Click to the right and click OK. If I plug this in, this is the new profile name I want to choose. Now I also have to specify the catalog again. In this case I'm going to the section catalog, place it on the canvas and say it's US Imperial. Now this is the new section size I'm going to apply. Now to upload this as a new version, I have to go to Model and create new version. Place the new version component on the canvas, specify the model ID, in this case the very first one. And then I will need a button to trigger the upload. And I have to specify a message what I'm going to change. I'm going to plug in the message as well. And now I'm going to plug in the element I'm going to change into the add or update elements port. You can update by various elements, just make sure you flatten the input so the input is actually a list. If you want to delete elements, you can also just plug in elements into delete elements and they will be removed from the model. Now once you click the button, Konstru will open up and compare the two models against each other. Now in this review dialog we will see that there's one beam that changed, and we can see there's a profile change in here. If I click the question mark, I can see it change from 12 to 26 to 5 by 19. I'm going to close this dialog and click Finish Update. Now if you click View Model, this takes you to the web viewer. Now I can see one element has been updated. This is one of the beams. I can zoom in, I can click this element and query the details. In this case I see the profile before was 12 by 26 and afterwards is 5 by 19. So this is how you update a section size and create a new version using Grasshopper.